One is that if I heard the Adhan in our TV, the local TV channel, can I take iftar? Because my mosque is far from my house. So from the mosque, we don't listen to the Adhan regularly.
Second
So
question.
can I do it by listening?
First question is, if I hear the adhan on my TV set, am I allowed to break my fast? If you know that this is your local adhan, the TV station is in your city or your town, and this is the time, of course, enjoy it. Al-adhanu in the Arabic language is al-i'lam, to announce it is time. As we're talking right now, maybe it is adhan in Mecca. So if it is on the screen, I have nothing to do with it. If Maghrib is at 5:50 p.m. your time, and this is the adhan in your local town, and the TV station is in your local town or city, of course, break iftar once you hear Allahu Akbar. Go ahead and break your fast and do iftar.